Hello everyone, today we're going to explain the assembly method for this small park. First, let's take a look at the components in the packaging. The package contains a complete set of wooden board components like this. When we send it, it will have a plastic film packaging. When the time comes, you can just tear it off. That's all you need to do. When tearing the plastic film, make sure not to shake it back and forth. If you turn it over, the components will fall out. So just tear it open flat. Since this one is unpackaged, we'll skip that part. When the time comes, be careful when opening the package. When we ship it, there are also some stainless steel components that must not be lost. These are all matching parts. We'll set them aside. Now let's explain this part, because this will be discussed last. For this part of the components, we'll open it up. Let's take them out one by one. This is a separate thin curved board. It's a bendable board to be set aside. You need to open it layer by layer. After opening like this, take out the components inside. This one is empty. It's just not usable. Don't worry about this excess part. Then, remove the remaining part. Now, let's sort it out. Then we'll differentiate its specific positions later. Just lift it up. After lifting it, some get stuck, so we just gently pry them off. Avoid breaking them. So this one is empty, that's all. I want to group all the similar ones together. Let's put all these boards together. Later, we'll sort them by size and length. Let's set all these components aside. We will also set aside these small components. Well, let's also shake it off. Next, we'll speed things up. Just sort out any excess parts. They can all be used, and this one is for the back support. One's found. Next, we will categorize all these components. Let's find a spacious place to sort them out. Group all components by their shape, size, and length. Arrange them according to the numbers on their labels. Components of this shape can all be placed together. Components of this size can be grouped together. Place the two boards marked with 2 U's together. This one of width 1 can go here. Components with the same code numbers can be together. A component marked with 2 1s. Pieces marked with X can be placed together. Then, similar shapes can be displayed together. This will make it easier to find later. I need to mention that the ones marked A and BA refer to the vertical parts. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. All A's should be placed together. B has 1 BC1. This side has 1 BY1 by 2 by 3. So BC refers to the left side. By refers to the right side. Arrange them from top to bottom by 123. Arrange them from top to bottom by 123. Then for should be placed in the middle. You can place them like this. As for specific positions, we'll discuss that in detail later. First, we will assemble the half of the parts. So, let's find these components. These are 2. This half-oil shape, and then a curved board. And it has 2 connecting plates labeled UU material. And then there's this shaped board. Its width is a bit larger than this U shape. And then this board at the location of these 2 rulers. Then after finding it, when we look for this board, we need to pay attention. Let's first compare the width on top. Find it according to this size. Don't choose those wider ones, just get this type. So we can compare first. Go find it, just take this to search. If this board cannot be found, we must find this board. Also, there's the shape. And this small opening round piece. All these parts need to be prepared. Besides, there's the stainless steel strip. What to pay attention to about this stainless steel strip is that its length needs to match this board. It should be the same width as this board. Pick it out. This stainless steel adjustment, because there are long and short ones. Then after preparing those, we start assembling it. Before assembling the light, let's attach the stainless steel strip first. This way, it will be more convenient in operation later. First compare if it's the correct length, and then remove the backing. Peel off this backing. There's glue on it. Then align its length. Stick it along this edge. Stick it along the edge to adhere. Just align and align it. After sticking it, the boss can pinch it. Press it a bit, and it will stick firmly. Okay, it's stuck now. This is ready. Put these prepared one side. Then we start assembling the U-shaped part. Its base. First, after finding these edge boards, identify the front and back. Those with many cuts. We will place the one with print inside, and the one without outside. This way of placement with words. This way of placement. And then use this U-shaped connecting plate to hold its position. When we hold it, we can look at these. The pretty side facing outward. The less pretty side facing it. This way, it won't be exposed outside. It will look better. Align it and press it down. Don't press this position. If it breaks here, it's troublesome. Do not press here, this part is weaker. Be careful during assembly. Once assembled, it's fine. These here are the same. Also make sure to align it and press it down. One on the top and one on the bottom. 2 U-shaped plates. Press down this way. After connecting the two U-shaped plates, we connect its framework, which is the U-shaped framework part, using this two-tooth connecting plate. When connecting, align its position. The inside teeth are not the outside ones. We keep them for fixing later. Align and clip it down just the same. Align and clip it down. Let this board be a little lower than this curve, or it can be flat as well. Also, just align it first. Then press the board down. And the same here. Align and press down after it's aligned. This connection board is fixed now. After fixing this connection board, let's continue to attach a connection on this board. This board is very simple. Just align it with the position on top. Then just snap it in. Then the board is fixed. Next, we'll install this curved surface. During the curve, align first as we made a special mark. To prevent it from being reversed, make sure to place it according to this mark. Place it correctly. You can also differentiate this side by the shorter part here. Here's a long one facing down, and a short one facing up. This differentiation is also valid. Align first. After aligning its position, let's stand it up and check. Like this. Once aligned, take this board. This board has a front and back. Measure to ensure the unattractive side faces inward, while the attractive side faces outward to align with its position. Then, from its two holes, pass the teeth of this board through. After passing through, use this round piece to secure it. Snap it in. It's good. And this end is the same. Also use this board. This attractive side faces outward. Align other positions. After snapping into place, let these teeth pass through, mainly to secure this curved surface. Then, use this board. Use a round piece to secure it. It won't fall off. Then, after fixing this, use this flat part below to release it. Then, let's bring out the two teeth on this board. After bringing them out, secure them. After securing, use the round piece to fix it. It's fixed now. After fixing, secure this part. Reinforce this one. Reinforce it. Then the same goes for the side. Use this difficult rod among the grass. Align with its position. Be careful when aligning here. Don't use too much force, because these holes have extra space, so they're quite loose. So aligning them makes it easy to snap in. Avoid using brute force. It could break. Okay, snapped in. Then the same goes for the side. Fix it again. Reinforce it. This is how to secure this curved surface. After assembling this semi-U part, next, let's first assemble its bottom base. Then placing some flat boards on top. Then add some slanted rods and slopes. So first, we need to secure the base. So let's set this aside first. When assembling this base, we need to pay attention to two issues. Firstly, we need to distinguish between A and B. B means horizontal. Horizontal is B. Vertical is A. Remember this. Then the next thing is its coding numbers. Firstly, A10 refers to number 10 and the coding number between 0 and 9. This way, the order won't be mixed up, because these correspond to positions below. Then for the upper one BY, it has a corresponding BC. I stands for the right side. BC stands for the left side. This distinction, it must be distinguished clearly. Then by 123 will be placed here. Then BC 1234 will be placed here. Separate it from the left and right nostrils. After separating like this, we can begin to find its corresponding position. It will be easier to find this position. First, we have a simple method. That is, the right side is definitely aligned. The far right is definitely aligned, so its position corresponds to this. Let me explain this to you. This is because we couldn't manage it because it's outside and vertical like this. So it's more exactly the inside. Actually, we place it this way. We place it like this to look better. Because this is all like this. The text must be oriented correctly facing down. The teeth must face down. In this way, it's correct. It shouldn't be turned upside down. And for A, the teeth face upwards. The card opening faces upwards. So it fits from above downwards. This fits from below downwards. This is how it fits. So let me explain this a bit. Additionally, when we're finding its position, it should be facing. For B, align with the opening facing downwards. And for A, it has a corresponding opening. Just align it facing downwards. One by one, align them. First, look, we'll manage these three. Ignore the part of nose C, and focus on nose Y. First align it. This is BY1 by 2 by 3 arranged from top to bottom. Once arranged like this, the openings face downwards. Every opening facing down corresponds to one board, starting from 10. The far right one starts at 10. Then 9 corresponds to this one. Next 8 corresponds to this one. Next it has a 7. Corresponds to this one. So let's not worry about this. First, piece these parts, because the camera's position is limited. It can't capture everything. So we do a part by part. This way is more detailed. Let's start piecing this part together. For this part, first of all, corresponding to the position of 123, the positions of the 3 teeth on the board. So the first goes on top. When inserting here, be careful not to press this position. Don't break it. Press towards this side. It will be secure. Pressing on this side will break it. Then the second one, which is BY2 in the middle, is the same. Do not break this section. Don't break this section. Next is PY3. Align first, then insert. It will be easier. It. Press down hard, or it will break. This is for the first part. Next is the position of 9, corresponding to the 3 slots below. First align its position, then press it down. Once pressed down, next is 198. The 8th code corresponds. And this also corresponds the same way. You can't turn it upside down. You must not reverse it like this, because you must follow my order faces this way. As long as the opening faces this way, place it like this. Go to the card. Don't turn it over like this. Don't move this position down. If you do it like this, it won't align. Everything assembled will be reversed. So, you must go in this direction. From the very beginning, start going in this direction. Align it. After aligning, press it down. Don't press these positions. These positions can easily break. Be careful to assemble properly, and there will be no problems. Assemble it well, then this position is the same. Make sure it's in the right position. This part is assembled now. These empty parts will be easier. So, let's not worry about it for now, as long as it's aligned with this position. Just assemble it properly. After finishing this part, we can set it aside. Then, let's find the position for BC on the side. After moving that part over, let's take a look at this part's position. Here I need to mention what it is. It's the code for BC 123. And here is 1BC4. Here 123 corresponds to top, middle, bottom. And this 4 is also divided. The middle is just slightly towards the right edge. First, let's not worry about the middle part. Just set it aside. Who is 1, who is 2, who is 3. Now let's first assemble 1 with 3. Position C1 corresponds with 3. The last thing we just assembled is A7 for 1. Next, we use A6 to assemble, starting with both ends. Use C1 and C3 to first put together both ends. Assemble the ends for who and 3. Then, we proceed using C5 for the next position. Here we have a connection for this position. Using this position. Who is it? It's the 2 positions facing downward. No, these 2 positions don't align. So just find the right positions. These 2 positions definitely face downward. The characters are upright. In the downward position, this is the assembly of the 2 characters. Next we have the assembly for A4 at this position. Next is the assembly for A5 and A3. This kind of assembly. After completing this part of the assembly, next there are no more downward slots left. Then we connect the ACBC2 connection panel to the middle position. It aligns with the central connection slot. It can connect perfectly. After connecting this slot, let's check its position. This is in the order A6, A5, A4, A3 as it comes through. It must be in order. There's no swapping positions. Here it is, who is 1, who is 2, C3. Here is who 4, also in the middle. After making this position right, the remaining 2 are A1 and A2, corresponding to the 2 positions below them. Put them in order and fit A2 into place. Align first, then press it in firmly. A4 and A1 are the same, at the very top position. So we can see its order. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. When we try to assemble, we start from this side. It's easier to find position, because if we look from this side, there are 2 extra ones at the top. So it's harder to find. So be particularly careful to find this kind of position. Find it out. Connect this part with this part. And then after the 2 parts are connected, we connect it. The connection is made through the slot under the Z4 facing down to the slot in the middle of A7. Align it afterwards. Just connect it and you're good to go. This is the framework part. Let's go through the assembly of this framework from start to finish. It's positioning. So if you mess it up, you can also refer to this for its positioning. First, we start assembling from this side. Because this side is flat, and this end has 2 longer parts that need to connect with the middle section. So we align from this end. Starting from A10, A10, A9, A8, A7. Then come over here to 1, A6, A5, A4, A3. Then the 2 separate parts A1 and A2. The horizontal part of B. The part of BY1 with the lower BY2 and BY3. Also, the connection plate BC4 in between BC1, BC2, and BC3. Is that clear now? Then we need to connect it to the half view part. The connection is quite simple. It's done by aligning these 2 separate parts with the slots below. Align it. Let's stand it up. Standing it up looks better. Align it. Then, find the position. Once the positions are right, after confirming the positions at both ends, it will snap into place. This is the same. After finding the right position, just snap it tight. In this way, the entire bottom framework is complete. Because it's quite large. We've exceeded the camera's range. Let's find a spacious place to explain the next part. After assembling the base, next we need to attach the two flat surfaces. First, let's attach the right side, starting with this L-shaped part. Assemble it first. When assembling, first align its position with this one. The slots here and over there correspond to its position. Also, the position of the panel on the side. When we place it, let's lay it flat on the table or a larger surface. First, place it on top. Locate this. Don't rush to snap it into place. First, find the position, especially the position underneath here. Make sure it passes through. After finding this hole and position, align these edges. Align every slot position. After aligning them, gently push the panel. First, let's push this side. First, push this edge to snap it into place. Then this panel and the slot position here needs to be secured. Next is the position here. This panel needs to secure this panel slot. Lastly, this panel's bottom needs to connect to this panel. Once all are secured, this side is already assembled. Next, we'll assemble the top side. This large panel. For this large panel, we place it at this position. While doing this, because we need to keep it flat, otherwise these might fall out. I'll put it back together. Then let's first take this. Lift it up. After lifting this curved board, place it down here. After placing it down, let it find a slot underneath this position. Then insert this board. That's it. If we tighten it here below, it won't fall out. Make sure to tighten the bottom first. Then tighten this side after that. Also find its position first. After reaching the position, snap it in after positioning it. It should be flat here. It is flat here. Then after these two boards are tightly locked, next, we will install this board on this side in this position. When squaring, it's the same. Align it to its position. Pass this hole through. Pass through these two slots below. When passing through, we shouldn't use too much force to press. Just enough. With some leeway. Then, after locking it into place, we can apply force to press it tight. Many positions. Hold the edge to push it. In this way, when pushed, it won't move anymore. It has already been pushed into place. After it's in place, this edge is flush. Next, we need to assemble the slope on top. So we first need to find these two fittings. One is this connector plate marked with an X. It means slope, a slanted meaning, and find a square plate. For the flip plate, note that it has 4 square holes on this plate, and it has a round edge. One side doesn't have a round edge. It's a right angle. Once this plate is found, we first attach the connector plate below. The connector plate connects to the top position. At the notch here, just plug it in. Align it, then plug it in and press tight. Then the square plate we just mentioned should be aligned with its protruding position. Then place it on top. After placing it on top, you can then press it down flat. Press down from above. Here you need to pay attention to a direction. You can refer to this icon. Is this icon aligned? There's no icon. Or if it cannot be seen, you can look at the round corner. My rounded corner is at the top. And the right angle is at the bottom. Because it needs to connect below. Then, after clarifying this direction, after placing it down, slightly press it in. Then apply force to press it down. Once it is pressed tight, it will be flush with the bottom. This is clarifying the original direction. After finishing this part, we will connect this slanted rod next. Next, we need to assemble the slanted rod. We first find a shaped board. Then we have 3 pieces. A total of 3 pieces. After finding the 3 pieces, we first align them. First clarify the front and back. Like this, the less good looking, has cutting marks facing inside. Then this way, both sides should have marks. And the middle piece can be placed. It looks better without text like this. There's a distinction between its left and right sides. If it has text, it can distinguish left and right. Then we align it. After aligning, we find a few large round pieces with openings. It has larger round pieces. These round pieces. First, we align its board. Then pass through this hole. After passing through, we push from the side. This way, we can secure the 3-piece board in place. It won't easily wobble left or right. The same goes for this side pass through. Then we secure it down. There are 2 and some extra pieces. We'll use those on another prop later. Here, once we finish setting up. Next, we need to stick the stainless steel strip on top. The stainless steel strip has been found and applied. We have already cut this one. Made it back with adhesive. Now we find its position to place it on top. Then bend down to check the distance on both sides. See if the distances on both sides are equal. There is a little deviation. That's pretty normal. A slight deviation is fine. Just don't let it be too off. As long as it's not wrong, this direction is acceptable. We can proceed. Now we peel off the adhesive on the back. Peel off the adhesive on the back. Peel off this red backing, and the adhesive is there. Once it's sticky, we stick it on and secure it. Start by aligning the middle. Then clip it tightly on both sides. Make sure to align both sides first. Don't let one side protrude too much. That won't be good. Make sure to press it tight, because it has some elasticity, with a stainless steel strip. So if pressed tightly, it won't spring back. Keep it stuck. Once it's stuck well, once it's fixed, we install it onto the prop. Its position is here. So there's a longer direction and a shorter direction. Once we find that direction, we align and place it down. After placing down, we can flip it over to check if the position is right. The position is right here. This board should come to this board. This board connects to this board. Then after aligning, we can secure it down. First, align it to its position. What's the problem, Liang Joshua? After pressing it into place, this incline should be flush with the surface. It's already assembled properly. Next, we'll discuss assembling the diagonal strut. Assembling the diagonal strut. First, we find this shaped board piece. Also communication on both ends of the board piece. So place it on both sides. Then the unmarked board goes in the middle. Then it's the same as before. First, find these round pieces. 2 is enough. Then we pass it through. After passing through, we pull it towards the side. This way we can tighten it. Align first. Then tighten it. This is the same as well. Also, just put it in. Then just slide it to the side. This way I secure it. After securing it, we're going to install this stainless steel strip on top. The stainless steel strip is this one. That U-shaped stainless steel strip. This one is the same as the previous one, but this is just a section. So they're all cut to a specific shape and size. We will first fit it to that size. Is it correct? Both ends fit perfectly. There will be a little bit of a gap. A slight difference is fine. It doesn't affect anything, because it definitely won't be that precise. So it's already very good like this. Now let's peel off the adhesive on the back. First, peel off the backing adhesive. After peeling off this red backing adhesive, fit it over the shoe frame. Align one end. The other end will be aligned perfectly. After aligning, press it down. Just press it tight. Just press it tight, and it's done. This way, the shoe rod is assembled. Let's put it aside first, because we need to insert these 2 rods below first. Insert these 2 support boards. Insert these 2 support boards. Let's confirm the direction. It must be in this direction. This one, like an elephant's trunk, just points backwards. Both are the same, like an elephant's trunk pointing backwards. Then fit it in this position. Begin the installation. Just press it down, because basically this position should definitely be correct. If it's not correct, you can flip it over and find the position first. If I can't press down, this board will hold it like this. After securing it, we have this shoe rod. It will have these 2 support plates to support it. We will fit it in. The most accurate position is here. Insert it into the narrow and wide positions. After finding the position, insert it down, and it's done. If it's in place, we can check if the bottom is flush. This means it has been inserted properly. This way, the shoe rod has been fully assembled. Then, this part has already been assembled. There will be 2 locking positions here. We need to find the 2 marked boards F1, F1. This connector board connects to this position. Align its 2 positions and just place it down. Sister, this is the same. Leah is tight. Then, after this is done, we will align this flat panel with 2 openings. A square panel aligns with this position. Align with its side position. Fit it in. This way, that side will be flat, and it's already in place. After this part is assembled, next, we'll assemble the middle part. For the middle part, first, we need to find these 2 shaped boards. These shaped boards need to distinguish between them. One board has only 1 slot in the middle. Then this board has 2 slots at the bottom. So pay attention. These 2 at the bottom are different. Where are the positions? The 2 slots are on the right side near the slope. This position on the side fits in. When pressing down, don't press this position. It will break this part. Just press flat before that. And then there's 1 fitting position left. On the left, near this diagonal position. After fitting it firmly, we use this FR to mark the connecting board. It fits in the middle at a connection point here. Align the connection point properly, and just press down. After fitting it in, the rest is just the upper flat plate. For this flat plate, we provide a straight stainless steel bar. It's smoother. So first we need to stick this stainless steel bar on. Before sticking, we still need to check size. Is it right? Just the right size shows that this stainless steel bar fits that position. We first tear off the red part on the back. After tearing it off, there's a transparent glue on the back. So we align it. After aligning this edge, just stick it on. Right. Align it left and right like this, and stick it well along this edge. Just press it firmly, and then we assemble it. During assembly, still do the same. Align this fitting position with its position. The side fitting slot is fine. Then we press the lamp down. Press down, and assembly is complete. After assembly is complete, we can check if anything has come loose. We just tighten it up. But this part's assembly is now fully complete. After completing the assembly of this part, next we have something else to introduce. We are giving away 2 display racks. Specifically for placing the skateboards on display. Just as an extra gift, because my assembly would cost a few tens of dollars. But with this part purchase, I gave away this display rack. How to assemble it? It can be combined for standalone use, or can be used with this part setup. First, let's discuss its assembly. During assembly, 2 boards of the same shape. Then find 2 connecting boards. Connecting boards of this shape. Then one side of this connecting board goes in at an angle. This one also goes in at an angle. After fitting well, push the bottom part in. Just push it in until it fits to complete the assembly of this display rack. During display,
you can place 2 boards. You can display 2 skateboards. It doesn't just stand alone for use. You can put it anywhere. You can put it on the ground or on top. Moreover, it can also be integrated into this factory setup. How to do it? We can see this. First, we can also assemble assembly. This one is the same for assembly. There are 2 pieces. First, fit one of them. Take this part outside. Fit one in. Then this one can also be fitted from below. But we may need to set it up above so that the bottom part doesn't fit. Just directly fit it into this position. When fitting in, it can just perfectly sit at that upper position. Then you can place it down. Then it's ready for display.